Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today we will do another anime versus my art drawing video. I created a poll between Trunks and Gohan from Dragon Ball Super with a caption that both were way more badass in Z than in Super, and I will draw both of them badass again. You have voted for Trunks, so we will start with him today. So back in Dragon Ball Z, Trunks was amazing. He was looking badass, had an amazing design, and in Dragon Ball Super, especially in the beginning, he was kinda lame. He had his great moments in Dragon Ball Super as well, but in Dragon Ball Z, Trunks was way more badass, and today I will try to draw Dragon Ball Super Trunks badass as well. I like this image right here, and now we will draw this in my style. Make sure to watch the whole video, subscribe if you are new, and I see you in the end again. Let's go! So guys, last touch and then Dragon Ball Super Trunks is done. I really like this one. This was really fun to create and it looks amazing, I think. The pose really comes great with the dust in the background, and as you can see, I drew him a bit more muscular and serious than in the show. I also drew him way more detailed, angrier, and just in the Dragon Ball Z style, which is definitely better than the Dragon Ball Super art style. I also like the hair, it looks very dynamic and the colors are very vibrant, which makes the drawing really pop out. So I really like this one, it was fun to create, and soon we will see my version of Tracksuit Gohan. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will of course upload this on full time on my real-time channel, so you can follow my steps very easy in case you want to draw this yourself. The one and only original drawing is now available on Etsy, and now you can also download the digital version of my drawings, so check out the shop. For commissions, message me on Instagram, and if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in a video. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I'll see you on the next